Hi, today we're going to season a wok. I bought this wok a few months ago, but I couldn't season it because it was winter. So now the weather is clear and I'm going to do it outside my house. And I cannot do it inside my house is because I have an induction stove. I bought this skinny wok from the School of Wok. This is not a sponsored post, not a sponsored video. So I'm buying it to try it out. It has a honeycomb design that it claims to use less oil and therefore is a skinny wok. It only takes 4 easy steps to season your wok, or kuali we call it in Malaysia. The Malay name for wok is kuali. Step number 1 is to wash and scrub the wok, and then we heat it up and cool it. Okay, we're going to use one of these. I'm going to put some detergent. Use a stainless steel scourer to remove the lacquer coating, and a bit of detergent will help. Rinse and dry the wok, and we are ready to heat it. We're going to go outside and use a butane camper stove and a blowtorch. So I'm going to put it all here and want to heat it up on high maximum. Okay. I think this is pretty slow, but never mind, we'll wait. You see the smoke coming up? See?
Why do you use that next one?
See the smoke? And it's turning black. We're going to heat the wok until it turns dark color. I'm going to use the blowtorch to speed it up. It's turning black, but don't panic. Hit the bottom and the side of the wok. Now the black color has turned into slightly bluish. Heat all over the wok. Now it looks clearer now. It takes about 15 minutes to get to this stage. Then we leave it to cool. It looks nice with a bit of bluish tinge. Once cool, we go to step number 2, which is to oil the wok. Put a thin layer of vegetable oil using kitchen towels. Step number 3 is to heat up the wok again. So you see the oil is smoking. We'll heat the oil until it's evaporated or burned up. Again, we're going to heat the wok until we get the bluish tinge. I think I've used a bit more oil than required. As you can see, there are some streaks there that cannot be burned. Step number 4 is an optional step. Add some oil to the wok and fry some slices of ginger and spring onions. Fry until charred and removed, and your wok is seasoned. I spray some oil to fry an egg, and this is a skinny wok. Let's see if this works. It's stuck. Gently does it. Oh dear, it's not working. I think we'll try again with more oil. We'll boil some water in the wok and gently remove the stuck bits. We'll give it a wash and then we'll start again. But then I noticed the handle is loose and the base is a bit warped. This time we're going to fry another egg, but we're going to use a lot more oil. So let's see if this works. We let the egg set a bit more before we flip it. It's still sticking, but we'll do it bit by bit. There are still bits stuck there, so it's not as good as it should be. What I'm going to do next is to season the base of the wok again. So I'm going to give it a scrub to remove the oil and bits and season with the 4 steps. I fried an egg, but it's stuck. This time I'm frying with coconut because I need to make rendang the next day. As the coconut contains oil, it should season the wok, like frying the ginger and spring onions with oil. Look at the sheen. So let's fry an egg again. This time I'm going to add a lot more oil just in case. Make sure the wok is hot. I'm going to let the egg set a bit more before turning. It works so much better, and the egg is brown at the bottom. It works okay, but it needs a lot of oil and there's still some bits stuck there, which is normal for a kwali or a wok. But it's definitely not skinny. So this is the wok that's been seasoned. It's got a beautiful sheen here. It's not like a patina. It's a bit like bluish grey. So this means that it has been properly seasoned. I'm going to return the wok because the handle is loose and the base is warped. And it is definitely not skinny, which is the whole purpose of me buying it. So what do you think about the wok seasoning that I've just done? Please give your comment in the description box below and tell me what I've done wrong or what I've done right. That's my wok seasoning journey. So I hope you like it. You make your own mind up on whether this method works or not. But we always season our wok. When I was living in Malaysia, my mother or my maid will season the new wok before using it. So until the next time, until the next round, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey, success or failure. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button, which I will appreciate very much. And I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye. See you. Thank 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 you.